Digital whiteboards and layout editors are becoming increasingly popular for virtual collaboration. Here's an example of a simple whiteboard that can visualize 3D models using the Hoops web platform. We've preloaded a collection of CAD parts and assemblies that you can add to the space. The 3D web viewer easily integrates with other web components. We can change its appearance, location, and size. We can also add groupings and additional content like text. 2D drawings can be combined with 3D data and their positioning and layout edited. Since we have access to the CAD data itself, the whiteboard is aware of all the different CAD views within the models. These can be extracted, not just as still images, but as additional 3D views. The same is true for building and construction data. When a given model is deactivated, it is turned into a canvas image. This conserves resources by only one 3D web viewer active at a time. Each model is cached on the client, ensuring that once a model is loaded, it reactivates quickly. This Revit model of a house contains multiple views as well. We can extract them in independent 3D views and use a powerful set of tools to interact with them, including a complete set of measurement operators. For simplicity, this demo has no backend. All elements, including the 3D models, are loaded via HTML requests. A backend could easily be implemented to allow for multi-user interaction and saving and loading whiteboard configurations. Because this model is an assembly, we can select a collection of objects and create a secondary view containing just those objects. You can check out the live application and its source code on Texoft 3D's GitHub page.